7 unexpected health benefits of baking soda. Number 1. Use baking soda to treat heartburn. Also known by the name of acid reflux, heartburn is a painful condition in which a burning sensation rises from your stomach and potentially as far as your throat. Number 2. Use baking soda for oral hygiene. Hate that stinging sensation that mouthwash can sometimes cause? Why not try rinsing your mouth with some baking soda instead? Simply mix a spoonful of baking soda with warm water and swish around as usual. Number 3. Use baking soda to soothe your skin. Nothing is more relaxing than taking a serene hike through nature in the summertime. That is, until you get home and realize you're covered in itchy mosquito bites. To relieve itching from bug bites, bee stings, and other sources, try soaking the affected area in water mixed with a few cups of baking soda in order to lessen the irritation. Number 4. Use baking soda to exercise better. When it comes to staying healthy, physical activity is one of the most important ways to keep your body's various systems running as efficiently as possible. People who are dedicated to workout results often end up taking an extra step by purchasing supplements, protein powders, and other tools to help them reach their goals faster. But what if I were to tell you that a useful workout supplement might already be in your kitchen? As you might not have guessed, baking soda may also help you perform better when exercising, to the point where many athletes and gym fanatics tend to use baking soda as a natural supplement. Number 5. Use baking soda to help your kidneys. According to some research, baking soda may be able to improve your health by slowing the progression of chronic kidney disease, a debilitating illness that, as the name implies, targets your kidneys and causes them to slowly lose function over time. Because your kidneys play an important role in filtering your blood and keeping it free of excess waste, it is essential to maintain healthy kidneys in order to keep the rest of your body up and running.